Hello everyone! As you know, free-range pig farming is very popular in the states of Iowa, Missouri, and Minnesota in the United States. But do you really know how these farms operate? Besides the benefits that this model brings, what other difficulties do these farms face? Let's explore with us in this documentary, and we are Trending Farm. In the United States, pig farming is a huge industry, producing about 27 billion pounds of pork by 2022. With 67,000 pig farms nationwide. Concentrated primarily in states like Iowa, North Carolina, and Minnesota. More than 129 million pigs are raised annually, with Iowa alone accounting for nearly 39 million. While large-scale indoor operations dominate the industry, there is a growing free-range pig sector. With about 3.8 million pigs, about 3% of the total raised outdoors each year. This alternative approach emphasizes animal welfare, allowing pigs to roam pastures and wooded areas, and is gaining traction as consumers become more interested in ethically produced meat. As of 2022, Iowa is home to nearly 400 outdoor hog farms, reflecting a shift to free-range operations in the industry as a whole. Do you think the quality of life of pigs affects the quality of meat? In the United States, outdoor pig farm standards emphasize natural living conditions and varied diets to promote animal welfare and meat quality. In addition to the many corporate-owned pig farms in the United States, such as those operated by Smithfield Foods, Inc., Triumph Foods, and Seaboard Foods, there are now thousands of outdoor pig farms where families raise pigs in spacious, natural environments. These farms often span many acres, allowing pigs to roam and forage freely and comfortably. During our exploration, Trending Farm had the opportunity to visit a 7-acre outdoor farm for more than 200 pigs in Iowa. We were overwhelmed by the scale of the farm. Free-range pig housing systems are designed to protect pigs from harsh weather, such as cold or heavy rain. Farms in places like Minnesota, North Carolina, and Missouri adjust their infrastructure to accommodate local climates, ensuring year-round shelter and comfort. These natural environments allow pigs to engage in instinctual behaviors, improving their welfare and producing higher quality meat, often preferred by consumers. Although more labor-intensive than industrial farming, this model offers pigs a more natural living environment. Like this video if you agree with Trending Farm. On free-range pig farms, pregnancy and birthing are managed with minimal intervention, which is significantly different from closed, intensive systems where sows are typically confined to individual stalls. About 2 to 3 weeks before farrowing, sows are monitored using wireless ultrasound technology, allowing farmers to non-invasively check the health of their piglets. This low-intervention approach results in healthier sows and piglets, as the pigs enjoy a more natural lifestyle with space to roam, forage, and engage in instinctive behaviors. Studies show that free-range sows have fewer stillbirths and better overall health than caged pigs, with a 5 to 10% lower stillbirth rate. Free-range sows typically give birth to 9 to 15 piglets, with survival rates reaching up to 90%, compared to 80% in cage systems, thanks to less stress and a varied diet. For the first 5 to 7 days, farmers often use enclosures to protect piglets from predators and ensure they have enough milk. However, farrowing rates in free-range systems average 85 to 90%, lower than in controlled, artificially inseminated systems. This raises the question, is minimal intervention in reproduction a sign of ethical farming or inefficiency, especially in large-scale operations? In their first few weeks, piglets engage in important socialization and natural behaviors, building resilience and adapting to their environment. After 5 to 7 days, they are released outdoors to explore and interact with their mothers and siblings, strengthening their immune systems through exposure to natural elements and microbes. Fencing ensures they stay within safe boundaries, avoiding risks like predators. This extended freedom contrasts with conventional systems, where piglets are weaned and confined much earlier. Longer weaning periods, often as long as 50 days on free-range farms, are believed to contribute to healthier, more robust piglets. However, some may question whether this extended free time and natural behavior is truly beneficial, or an inefficient luxury that adds cost and complexity to the operation without delivering a significant improvement in productivity. Free-range pigs are raised on a natural diet of plants, nuts, insects, and vegetables, leading to tastier, fattier meat compared to factory-raised pigs. Unlike pigs in intensive farms, which are fed high-energy diets for rapid growth, free-range pigs graze and forage, growing more slowly. As a result, they take 8 to 9 months to reach 130 to 150 pounds, while factory pigs reach the same weight in just 5 to 6 months. This slower growth is due to their natural diet and the opportunity to roam pastures and wooded areas in regions like Iowa, Minnesota, and Missouri. The extended growth period, while leading to higher quality meat, raises the question: is better meat quality worth the longer growth period? While some consumers value the enhanced flavor and marbling of free-range pork, others may view the longer growth time as an inefficient luxury, especially in an industry where efficiency is key. We invite you to discuss the trade-off between natural growth and the need for efficiency. What's more important in today's pork production? Free-range pig farms face substantial seasonal challenges, especially in winter when temperatures can drop to well below freezing in states like Minnesota and Missouri, where average winter lows often reach between 0 def and 20 def. Freezing temperatures and snowfall, sometimes exceeding 50 inches in Minnesota, create additional demands for pig welfare. In contrast to indoor systems on industrial farms, free-range pigs experience a varied climate year-round, requiring farmers to address both comfort and health under more difficult conditions. To keep pigs healthy during winter, free-range farms make key adjustments. Including insulated shelters with up to 12 inches of straw bedding for warmth. Feeding practices are modified, increasing calorie intake by 30% to help pigs retain body heat in sub-zero temperatures. Electric heaters or insulated containers ensure access to water, even in temperatures as low as -10 def. Farms also use natural windbreaks like trees or artificial barriers to reduce wind speeds by up to 50%, creating a more sheltered environment. These measures help farms meet winter challenges while maintaining humane and natural care for the pigs. After enduring cold winters with improved feeding and shelter, free-range pigs are typically ready for shipment to food factories at around 8 to 9 months of age, reaching a market weight of 130 to 150 pounds. This is significantly longer than farm-raised pigs, which are typically harvested at 5 to 6 months. Shipping free-range pigs requires careful handling to meet welfare and meat quality standards. With efforts made to minimize stress during loading and transport, as stress can negatively impact meat tenderness and quality. Prior to departure, each pig undergoes a final health assessment to ensure it meets both the size and condition standards set by the buyer. Transport vehicles are equipped to maintain consistent temperatures and ventilation, especially important in inclement weather. To protect the health of the pigs on their journey to the food factory. Through these steps, free-range farms maintain their commitment to humane treatment and quality production even during the final stages. At the food factory in Iowa, modern systems ensure processing meets USDA standards for quality and safety. The processing begins in designated areas with state-of-the-art machinery, designed to handle each pig efficiently while maintaining temperature and hygiene controls. A series of automated machines handle the scalding and dehairing process in less than 15 minutes per animal, adhering to strict time frames to retain freshness. With Iowa's major food factories processing millions of pounds of pork annually, these facilities are equipped with computerized tracking systems that monitor every step. In a controlled environment, advanced robotic systems precisely portion and prepare the pork for packaging, preserving the distinctive quality expected of free-range meat. These processes make Iowa's food factories leaders in efficient, high-quality pork production. As global demand continues to rise, especially in China, the United States faces an important question: can free-range pig farming scale to meet the growing demand for high-quality pork, or will it remain a niche market? Do you support wider adoption of free-range farming, even if it means higher prices? Sign up for Trending Farm and interact with us now.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.